Hi everyone. One of the biggest challenges in modern industry is getting data out of your PLC and into a modern dashboard without writing complex code. Today, I'm going to show you a complete no-code way to bridge that gap. We are going to connect a Schneider Control Expert directly to Node-RED using OPC UA. Over the next few minutes, I take you from a blank project to a live, real-time dashboard, show you exactly how to set up the Node-RED flow. Let's jump right into the demo. First, I create a small project in the Control Expert. In here, just the variable is increase. Okay, now we start this PLC. I use simulation. We build all the project. Okay, contact. Like the PLC. Okay, we use Schneider OPC UA service expert. Okay, we create one project. It's not here. Okay, then open service. Then after that, we use UA expert. We should create UA expert. Let's start new one. Okay, UA expert. This UA expert 2.0 is the new version. We click here. This old one we delay. We double click is a customer discovery. We copy this OPC UA endpoint URL. Okay. Here, increase, go to, we just use now, okay? Right click, connection. It's a connection already, okay, here. So, node, we just use one variable, this one, okay? Then, we start Node-RED. First, we start CMD, we start Node-RED. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's working. Okay. We use local host 180. Here, this one is OPC UA is node flow. Okay, we delete this one. We create a new one. Before we do this job, we should go to node right website. Go to view on GitHub. GitHub is the library, okay? In here we download all this one. Download, okay? I download already. In here we open. In here we go to example. Now we just use here OPC UA test JSON, this file OPC UA test JSON, okay? Here we put here OPC UA test. Then we go back, we close here. Okay. Then import, select file, import, that's it. Okay. Here, this OPC UA test sample. This a lot of node flow. This one we don't need. We can use in the future if you like. This one, we just use this one, okay? This right, we don't use. We delete. This one, we don't use, we delete. Delay. Delay. Okay, that's it. We just use this flow. Then here, here is integer 32, okay? So we just keep integer 32. This one, all the other stuff we delay. This one delay. So here we just use first we go to here, it's the OPC UA, double click P. here is working. Look, case number, we can start again. Stop. Now we start. 1. Here's 1. Look here. Look, 17, 11. All they similar. Same thing, this number. Okay. Now here just name MSG. Okay. We delete. We can see, but we want to use dashboard to display. Okay. First, you should install dashboard. Okay. We go to dashboard. We choose gauge. Okay. Where's gauge? Here. Dashboard, connection dashboard. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here, because this number is 2768. Okay, the maximum. Okay, go. Play out. Close. Now we should go to here, dashboard 2.0. Open. Here is working. Look. Look. 3920, 3920. Okay. That's it. This one just node read is dashboard communication PLC. Okay. It's a keyword just here. You set up. You be careful. Okay. Thank you very much.